Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and doing your online session as well as complete your work on time. Yes? So, complete all the notebooks before your examination. Your annual exam, before your annual exam. Okay? So, now the revision time. Look at the board, here write revision time. Revision for which subject? EVS subject. Now EVS period is going on, so revision for EVS. Say revision for EVS. So let us start. What is question number 1? Yes, write down question number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blank. This question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Now what type fill in the blanks? Look at the board. Number 1 is, now what is this? This is a car. Fill the missing line. Now which letter will come? What is the spelling of car? C-A-R. So in this blank you write A. Car. So you fill the missing letter. C-A-R. Car. The number 2. Now what is this? It is a water transport. Which type of water transport? This is a boat. Now what is the spelling of boat? Check your notebook, EVS notebook, and write, say the spelling of boat. B-O-A-T. So in this place, you write here O. Fill the missing letter. B-O-A-T. Boat. This is a boat. This is a car. Then move to the next. What is your next? Is this? What is this? Tell me the name of the vehicle. It is a air transport. Yes. Now fill the missing letter. Now which letter will come in missing place? It is the aeroplane. What is the spelling of aeroplane? A-E-R-O-P-L-A and E. So in this place you write small e. Aeroplane. So complete the names of the vehicles. The number 3 is what is this? First you tell me the name. What is this? This is a bus. Now what is the spelling of bus? B-U-S. Bus. So in this place write U. B-U-S. Bus. Write first. Complete all. Then write next 4. Complete this, then write next 4 examples from fill in the blanks. Okay, then completed. Okay, now next example is this is also a water vehicle, sorry, water transport. And is this a ship? What is this? This is a ship. Now which letter will come? Complete the spelling of ship. What is the spelling of ship? S-H-I-P. Ship. So here write small h. Okay. So the spelling of ship is S-H-I-P. Ship. Now move to the next. Next is now what is this? This is a van. Now what is the spelling of van? V-A-N, van. Here write small a. Ship, van. Next is what is the name of this vehicle? And complete the missing letters. This is a Jeep. Now what is the spelling of Jeep? J-E-E-P. So here write small e, J-E-E-P, Jeep. This is a Jeep. And at last what is this? This is a helicopter. Now what is the spelling of helicopter? Look at the board. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. So here only E missing. Write number E or letter E. Helicopter. Complete all the examples from the board: ship, van, jeep and helicopter. Write it fast. Fill in the blanks. Your question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Complete it. Return. After this, we will start question number 2. So, please complete fast. Question number 1. Now let us start number 2. What is number 2? write vegetables name. Number 2 is write vegetables names. Write vegetables name, write down the heading and part in 2 sections. 1, 2, 3. EVS notebook, part in 2 section and make a picture of first number. Is this? What is this? Look at the board and tell me the names of vegetable. This is a potato. Now write down the spelling of potato. What is the spelling of potato? All letters are small letters. So write from small letter P O T A T O. Potato. All letters are small letters. Complete. Now you write potato full page. Okay, till the last line you write potato full page. So in your notebook how many lines are there? 5 to 6 lines. So you write 5 to 6 times spelling of potato. P O T A T O. Draw the pictures and write down the name. First is potato. How to write? You write till the last line. Once again, P O T A T O, potato. Is this? What is this? This is potato. Then once again, you write also and say and write. You revise the spelling and write down the name. The name of vegetable is potato. But you have place, so you write 5 times spellings. So P O T A T O. Write also and learn also the spelling of potato. Write fast. Then number 2 is what is this? This is the picture of tomato. Which vegetable is this? This is tomato vegetable. Now write down the spelling of tomato. T O M A T O. Tomato. Spelling is tomato. Once again, T O M A T O. Once again, T O M A T O. Then write T O M A T O. Tomato. Tomato is a vegetable. You write. In your EVS notebook, you write 5 times the spelling of tomato. Learn the spelling, read the spelling and write the spelling. How many times? 5 times. Before you writing 5 times, you will learn the spelling. So, please write down and read the spelling and learn the spelling. Like this is potato, this is tomato, and number 3 is what is this? This is carrot. Now what is the spelling of carrot? C-A-R-R-O-T. All letters are small letters. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. And C-A-R-R-O-T. How many times you write the spelling of carrot? Also 5 times. So write fast all the vegetable, write 5 times and read the spelling, learn the spelling. Complete it. Let us revise again. This is a potato, this is a tomato, and this is a carrot vegetable. And what is the spellings? P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Potato vegetable, tomato vegetable, and carrot vegetable. So write fast all the 3 names of vegetable. Then we'll start question number 3. Now what is the question number 3? Question number 3 is odd one out. We have already done odd one out. So once again we'll start some examples for your revision. So complete this, then start odd one out. Okay. Return. Now start odd one out. Number 3. Write down number 3. This is question number 3. Odd one out. What is odd one out? Is, look at the board. Is this triangle, is this triangle, is this triangle, and is this circle. So this one is odd one. You make a circle with odd one out. Odd one out कैसे आउट करेंगे? उस पे सर्कल करके. Okay. Then stars are there. Here 3 stars are there and 1 is triangle. So you odd one out. आपको odd thing को सर्कल करना है. odd one out कैसे करना है? odd thing को सर्कल करना है. Make a circle with for odd thing. Then number 3 is now which one is odd shape? Is this box, is this box, is this box. This one is circle, so you circle for circle. So this is the odd one out. Means this type odd one out in your EVS paper. So let us practice for odd one out. First you check the things Three things are same and one is different. So use circle for different thing. This one is odd one out. So we have done also, and now we are practice also. So question number 3 is odd one out. Question number 1 is, yes, complete the spellings, like fill in the blanks. Number 2, yes, vegetables. So you read the vegetable, write the vegetables name and learn also. Then third one is odd one out. So all the 3 questions you have practiced, and your next question will start in your next video. Till then, bye and have a nice day, and please revision for all the topics. Bye.